What's up, YouTube? We back with another one from Arrma, the Big Rock, the new version, the 223S. Was at the hobby shop today, as you've seen in the video earlier, and had to walk out with something. It was either this or the Granite 223S. Both of them look good, but I never owned the Big Rock, so I said, let me get the Big Rock instead of the Granite. As we know, a lot of people have these already. They're good trucks. They come in 3 different colors: the black, the green, the blue. I chose to get the flat black. I don't have no vehicle that's flat black. I have vehicles that's blue, green. So the flat black one is the one that I walked out with today. But guys, we know that the Big Rocks, even the 6S, they're all awesome trucks. Arrma did their thing with this new version with the clipless body. And this thing is definitely a big boy. There we have the Big Rock 223S. This thing is nice, big for a 1/10 scale. We took the plastic off, and there it is, the Big Rock. Flat black, folding mirrors. Let's get a close-up of this thing. Oh, look at it. Don't it look tough? Especially when we add some lights to it. Definitely be on the lookout for the next video with some lights on it. But this thing look awesome in matte black. All other colors was nice too, but this one caught my eyes. I said, let me get this one right here. But guys, yep, first time owning a Big Rock, and from all the reviews from all the other YouTubers have done, it seemed like it's an awesome truck. Some had issues with it cutting off, but we'll see. We'll use the program. And again, this is the clipless body version. 2 clips, just push them down, lift up. That's the inside of the black body. Have rails up top. But yes, there we go. There we go. Yep, your basic 223S setup. Your fan, motor, heatsink, ESC fan, servo, DC5 connectors, all the basic. But yeah, guys, I won't spend too much time on this one. Again, something that Arrma came out with not too long ago. It caught my eye. The hobby shop had one, so I decided to go ahead and pick one up. But yeah, this black is definitely awesome. As soon as the weather break, we will get this thing outside and see how it performs. The wheels is nice. I might leave the wheels the same until they wear off and get some different kind. But I like the wheels on it, especially all black. Man, Arrma has done their thing again. This Big Rock 223S is nice, especially up close. The black matte paint is awesome. Just imagine how this thing gonna look with some lights on it. It don't have a wheelie bar on it, but it can be one added on there. And I think I have some wheels to put on there from a previous Arrma vehicle that I had. I had double, so I'm gonna test that out later on and see if those will work on there, or do I have to get a woolly bar like the Granite has. But we'll see. Stay tuned and see. But again, guys, comes with your basic tools, batteries, spacer for the shocks, all valves. I don't think it comes with speed pinion. No different pinion, but it does have the different hex. It does have your 2 Allen wrench tools, all that stuff that you normally get. And once again, it comes with the SL3 receiver. Got the SIM 223 and all them other ones come with. Basic good remote. I like it. And it has your DSC on there that will help stabilize the vehicle. Good feature. You don't have to pay for it. It comes with it. But guys, again, I'm a huge fan of Arrma vehicles. And this one right here, definitely has got my attention. So yeah, guys, continue to support your local hobby shops. Continue to enjoy the hobby, guys. But yes, as soon as the weather gets warmer, I think next week is supposed to be warm out, so you'll definitely see more videos. And we testing this thing out, compared with some other vehicles that I want to test out and do some more reviews on. So definitely be looking out for more videos to come out soon. And again, thanks for checking out the channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, if you have something to drive, get out and drive it. Enjoy the hobby and have a good one, guys. Later.